Backsolving. As you already know, problem-solving questions have answer choices, and that allows us to use the backsolving method. Consider the following example. What is the value of x if 2x plus 5 equals 45? This is a very simple linear equation which can be solved using basic properties of equations. But what if you get nervous and forget all those rules and properties? In this case, backsolving is what you need. To backsolve the problem, just pick answer choices and plug them into the equation and see which one works out. Start with choice C. If x equals 16, then 2x plus 5 equals 45 will look like 2 times 16 plus 5 equals 45, or 32 plus 5 equals 45, or 37 equals 45, which is obviously incorrect. Since 37 is less than 45, you should look for an answer choice which is greater than 16. Choice B. If x equals 18, then 2x plus 5 equals 45 will look like 2 times 18 plus 5 equals 45, or 36 plus 5 equals 45, or 41 equals 45. This is not correct either. Choice A. If x equals 20, then 2x plus 5 equals 45 will look like 2 times 20 plus 5 equals 45, or 40 plus 5 equals 45, or 45 equals 45, which is true, and therefore the correct answer is choice A. As you can see, even if you don't know how to solve this equation, you can backsolve it without applying any rules or properties that you could have forgotten. Note, to save time, don't just randomly pick answer choices. If answer choices have numerical values, pick the one with the middle value. If it is not correct, you may be able to see whether it is too small or too large. You can then pick the larger or smaller choice accordingly. In the example above, we picked 16 first, and since it was too small, we could eliminate choices D and E, which are even smaller, and start checking the larger answer choices. In fact, you did not even have to check choice A because you already determined that choice B is too small and A is the only answer choice greater than B, thus it has to be correct. For answer choices with variables, pick answer choices from the first to the last or in the opposite direction.